Okay, onto the variator. Make sure your ramp has the 3 plastic spacers that go in here. Make sure your areas where they actually contact are clean. Same with the surfaces here. Make sure those are clean. You don't want grease on the sides of the belt, obviously, as it goes in. You don't want any grease at all in that area. And it appears these have a little instruction sheet with them, unlike the springs. And yeah, they do, because these are shaped differently. These are the same weight as those, 12 grams. So you can see the ramp plate here, right here. That's going to sit on top of this angle section right there. Like that. Because the ramp plate is going to sit right there. So you want that long flat edge pointing to the outside. Make sure you're all clean in here. No debris. That's what they look like. Just double check with your fingers to make sure that flat spot is properly positioned. I got the spacers on there so that this is properly aligned on these pins. You get too much free play if you don't have those spacers in there. So it just sits down just like that. And this will be assembled on the vehicle. You got to make sure when you're assembling it you hold on to this, otherwise they're going to fall out on you.